Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve continuous integration with Jenkins, beginner guide step-by-step clear. To improve continuous integration with Jenkins, start by accessing your Jenkins dashboard. Ensure you have the latest version of Jenkins installed. Create a new job by selecting New Item. Choose Freestyle Project for simplicity, and provide a name for your project. Click OK to proceed to the configuration page. Scroll down to the Source Code Management section. Select your version control system, such as Git. Enter the repository URL where your code is hosted. If necessary, provide credentials for accessing the repository. Next, navigate to the Build Triggers section. Check the option labeled GitHub Hook Trigger for GitHub scanning. This enables automatic builds when changes are made to the repository. Scroll down to the Build section. Click Add Build Step and select Invoke Top-Level Maven Targets or another build tool of your choice. Enter the appropriate build command, like clean install for Maven projects. Now, move to the Post-Build Actions section. Here, choose actions based on your project needs, such as sending notifications or archiving artifacts. Save your configuration by clicking the Save button at the bottom. To test the build, click on Build Now on the left side menu. Monitor the progress in the Build History section. Verify the results by clicking on the build number and reviewing the console output. If any issues arise, check the logs for error messages. Make necessary adjustments to your configuration based on the errors encountered. Consider installing Jenkins plugins to enhance functionality. Visit the Manage Jenkins section and select Manage Plugins. Explore available plugins to add features like Docker integration or Slack notifications. After installing plugins, restart Jenkins to apply the changes. Regularly review and refine your pipelines for better performance. Document the configurations for future reference and team onboarding. Set up a branching strategy to manage code changes effectively. Encourage team collaboration through code reviews before merging into the main branch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.